Well, guys, welcome to Fun Cooking with Brani. Today we are going to look at how to prepare crispy, call them crunchy, sweet potato crisps. You will love this, guys. Make sure you make it for your family, your kids. They will definitely love them. We are going to need sweet potato, breadcrumbs, cooking oil, wheat flour, aromat salt, and water. For starters, we peel the sweet potato. Place it in the water immediately. Peel another one. Wash the sweet potato very well. We can now grate our sweet potato. See, guys, beautiful pieces. Oh, lovely. Lovely. We now bring our flour. Mix some aromat salt. Not too much. Don't put too much. Beautiful. Pour some water. It has to be a bit thick. Very nice paste. Beautiful. Pour in our potatoes. I love what I'm seeing already. Pour breadcrumbs. Ouch! Wow. Ow. Wow. See that? Mix them properly. Take your time. At this moment, we are going to a pan. Light up the gas or make your fire ready. Doesn't matter what you are cooking. Let your pan dry. Put in our oil nice and slowly. That's enough. We now can start putting in our sweet potatoes. Ooh. Ouch. They are a bit hard. We can now put out our beautiful sweet potatoes. See this look, guys. Beautiful. We can now sprinkle in some little aromat. Beautiful. Time to test. Time for the moment of truth. Delicious, delicious, guys. For more of my fun cooking videos, please do not forget to always like, subscribe and hit the bell button so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos on my channel. Please, your comments are also welcome. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.